2024 is the year of Bitcoin, and in this video we're going to explore a new potential Bitcoin related gem out there in the crypto market. So we are seeing a little bit of a correction here for Bitcoin from local highs of around $72,000-$3,000 down to these mid 60k range. And overall I'm not worried. I still think we've got so much more left in the tank for Bitcoin. Anyways guys, if you're new here, do subscribe. We're here to talk about, again, very quickly, Satoshi DEX on this channel, which is soaring through its ICO right now. So we looked at this a few times. We can now see they are officially in round 11 of their ICO, where the price is now 0.01639. The price will soon be going up again to 0.01966, around a 20% increase. Satoshi DEX overall is the world's first Bitcoin decentralized exchange. Never seen anything like it. It's inspired by Satoshi Nakamoto, and we can see over here that they've raised $8.242 million of 9.1 million on this target right here. So when you do hit that connect wallet button, you've got tons of different sort of areas and Web3 DeFi wallets that you can connect into this to actually convert into your SatX tokens. You can also see it's very much cross-chain. You've got different chains here that you can actually purchase on as well, which is really, really good to see. So the next price will happen in just 5 days and 3 hours, guys. So you've got to be quick on this one. Now remember, this isn't financial advice, but I do think it's quite exciting. So recently they hit a big milestone of 20,000 followers on Twitter. Obviously they're thanking their community for this huge milestone. And it says this is just the beginning over here. It says celebrating 20,000 followers. So the community is surging, it's growing, it's got that snowball effect going on as they delve deeper into their ICO. You can also see here, Bitcoin DeFi revolution starts now. Satoshi DEX waiting list is live. Secure your spot for early access and exclusive updates on the pioneering Bitcoin Layer 2 decentralized exchange. So they do have a waiting list, and it says here, users can now secure their spot at the forefront of Bitcoin DeFi as they prepare for the highly anticipated launch of Satoshi DEX platform. Joining the waiting list ensures you receive exclusive updates, early access opportunities, and a chance to be among the first users. 3. The waiting list launch, or the waitlist launch at Satoshi DEX points system represent the first steps in the exciting journey. So this is quite cool to see, and when you just kind of do a bit of research on it, the core features of Satoshi DEX begin to stand out. You can see you've got on-chain trading, where Satoshi DEX makes it as fast as possible, also on the Bitcoin network, which is very, very secure. There's also liquidity pools here, similar to Uniswap, which makes use of LP to facilitate effective asset exchange and price discovery, but also Stacks Layer 2 chain. Satoshi DEX promises to provide quicker and less expensive transactions by utilizing the Stacks Layer 2 chain to get around the scalability issues on the Bitcoin mainnet. So it's like Bitcoin having enhanced scalability, throughput, and overall still having that big security with it at the same time. So very, very big. I think this could be a big one here. So here we can see a snippet of how that decentralized exchange will look. The embedded decentralized exchange on Satoshi DEX. This is where you can do your swapping from X coin into Y coin. You've also got a hint at the top of pool, stake, and farming, which are also possible to do. And in the future, you will be able to stake and earn your SatX tokens. For now, this is just coming soon, but it does look very, very exciting. I'm keen to see what can happen. So good website. I think it's very marketable. 2024 is the year for Bitcoin. So if you do want to research this coin, Satoshi DEX, I've got a link right down below for you. Remember, it's not financial advice at all, but yeah, inspired by the one and only Satoshi Nakamoto and Satoshinomics. Here we can see there are a maximum of 10 billion tokens as well, and there we can see the allocation of these actual tokens and exactly where they're going. So it is pretty cool. The rounds fully depends, the amount of rounds and time the pre-sale goes on for will depend on community preference and demand, but the unsold tokens will be burned, everybody. So really keen to see what can happen with this one here. Worth having a little look at, I think, but of course don't risk more than you can afford to lose. That applies to all things crypto. We are seeing a little dip in the markets, but this is still very much the bull run, and I think we have a long way to go just yet. I don't think we'll see a harsh correction down to $34,000. I think at worst maybe 55k. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 71 today. We're still in a greedy environment. People are still holding, buying. accumulating, waiting for that next leg up. We are only 17-ish days away from that Bitcoin halving, everybody. So things do get exciting here. If you want to find out about more gems like Satoshi Dex, getting in early, you can also become a patron. The link is down below. Make sure you do join Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord, which is my lovely Discord channel of 26,000 people in it. Thanks for checking out this video on Satoshi Dex. If you're new here, like, subscribe, comment. And if you want to hit your crypto goals this year, hit that notification bell. See you later, guys. Stay crypto safe. Peace.